Have you ever thought about creating a vision board, but then you kept asking yourself, why would I create this form of different collage of pictures? Well, let me tell you something. A vision board is not just a different collage of pictures, beautiful places, but it's a reflection of the life that you want to have in the future. And I'd like to tell you why you should have a vision board. But also through this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a vision board that is aligned with you. I'll show you the different steps from finding my goals and finding the why, and then to finding also the pictures, doing the collage, etc. But I just want to back up my point of view and also why you should have a vision board. So research in psychology has shown that a vision board can activate your reticular activating system that is responsible for filtering unnecessary information and that helps you and your goals to sharpen the focus in order to reach those. And you know what? It also helps your subconscious mind see where you are going and where you want to finish by the end of this year or by the end of this month. And you know what? Studies have also found that having a vision board can help in improving confidence, boosting your motivation, and it also helps in the physical performance of athletes. Can you imagine that? So all I'd like to say here is take a chance today and think exactly about what you want. Then write them down, because goals are not just goals, they need to be SMART. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. So your goals should be that way, and you should say to yourself, I'm achieving that by the end of this year or by the end of this month. So now I'd like you to give yourself permission to create that creative canvas that is just yours. By the way, I'm Alice, I'm a life coach, and I'm here to bring some positive impact in your lives. So if you like this video so far, or you want to share this maybe with someone who needs to hear this, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below telling me what are the goals that you want to achieve and what are you going to put in your vision board. And maybe also tag me on Instagram, it's Alice Positive Vibes, when you do your vision board so that I see the result and maybe I could interact with you and help you out. You never know. Thank you so much, guys, and let's move to creating our vision board. Okay, so the first thing that I will be doing is head to my laptop and I will go to my Trello vision board. And I will be creating so everything. So I'm just going to be like vision board. I'm not going to detail everything. Okay, what did I write? Okay. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So, okay, check this out. And then I'm going to start a list. And the way we're going to do it, guys, is go from different sections of your life, which means personal and professional. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, okay? And then healthy, like health, spirituality, totally up to you to choose what you want. Okay, so concerning my professional goals, I want to grow my YouTube channel to, let's say, well, let's get to 10K. Okay, I want to get to 10K first, and then I'll take it up from there. And I want to quit my job. I started a catering business, so grow my catering business. And then, what else do I want? I want to make collaborations, coaching. I also want to, what do I want as well? I also want to be invited on podcasts like the Mel Robbins podcast. I want to meet Mel Robbins, literally, I love her. I want to do a TED Talk, TEDx, write a book. Oh my god, it's a lot of goals, right? Write a book. And then I'll move to my personal, I'm gonna move to my personal goals. So for these, I'll be putting learning candle art. Well, I learned, but I want to really learn this. I want to get to know myself even better, like self-growth. I'm never satisfied with, like, I'm always grateful for the things that I learn, but I'm like, I can always learn. Sorry guys, had to change because I had to empty my SD card, it was kind of full. So let's keep going. Right now I'm on Pinterest and I just write down vision board. So, and then you have a lot of pictures that pop up. What we're gonna do, we're gonna upload all the files and the pictures that I have just downloaded. Okay, we're not gonna go. We got it, guys. We have all the vision board made. Now I'm gonna start the printing process. So here's my vision board, guys. I made it. Ta-da! Sorry for the ring light, but it's nighttime. Vision board.